Happy birthday, Rap Rap, anak ni Diana. Mon. Nakikita mo mga pinapadala ko sa YouTube? Yung mga link?
Ha?
Ano pinapadala ko sa YouTube? Sa email.
Ano naman?
Wala eh, mga video.
Mga pictures.
Sa YouTube. The chili. Konsehal 3C. For Councilor. Quezon City. First District, Quezon City. Councilor.
Happy birthday!
Francis.
And now let us forward up the host of this party, Mommy and Daddy, together with our birthday celebrator. Rasa! Palakpakan naman natin sila. Mommy and Daddy, please come over with me. Together with Sean, our birthday celebrator. Ayan. Ayan, syempre. Before we start, syempre kailangan natin kantahan muna ng isang masayang happy birthday si Sean, okay? Since birthday niya, kailangan natin siya magkalit sa masayang happy birthday! Everybody clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Say with me, ang hindi ko mata, kasasayawin ko. Say with me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. For the last time, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Thanks to you. Okay, isang malakas na happy birthday siya. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Sean, is it okay with you? Ayun, hindi siya makapagsalita. Pero syempre masaya siya na nandito kayo lahat. Ayan, Mommy and Daddy, siguro naman po nakita nyo kaming sumayaw.